Good morning, first grade. Happy Monday. I hope everybody had a really nice weekend and was able to get some rest, relax, enjoy, and you're ready and excited to start a new week of school and a 5-day week. I'm excited. All right, today is Monday, September 14th, 2020. It is day 2 for your special, so you have library today at 11:45, and it is the ninth day of school. So as you can see in our 10 frame, I've added 5 still on the top and then our 4 on the bottom. So if we look at our number bond, you guys are becoming really great at these number bonds. If we have 5 as one part, what would the other part be? I'll let you think about that for a second. And I've added to our coins. We have our nickel, which is worth, that's right, 5 cents, and then our 4 pennies. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Excellent. All right, let's stand for the Pledge of Allegiance before I tell you all about what is going on today. So, we'll stand, and I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Okay, wonderful. Thank you. All right, today for our morning activity, there are a couple of things. First thing, and as we just kind of as a side note, as we begin this week and we add word building into our mix and our schedule, please just try the best that you can. If you need any help, just reach out, let me know, and I'm here. So just wanted to let you know. So this morning, coming out at 9, will be the math application problem for today's lesson. If you remember on Friday during our live class, I mentioned that we would start today sending out the application problem in the morning because to kind of help just warm up your brains the way that I said we warm up or stretch if you're going to play a sport or something like that, that we're going to use that application problem to just help kind of warm up our brains, get us thinking about the math for today, and for you just to try your best to solve that problem and use the space in the book to read, draw, and write about the answer. So just try to do the best that you can, and then we'll talk about it on our live class. If you're finished with it, and if you're unable to finish it before math class that day, no problem. We'll quickly talk about it, and then you can always come back to it. But that will come out in the morning. This morning, you'll also have a reading lesson that you'll get to listen to our new read aloud in our Wit and Wisdom reading called Tomas and the Library Lady. And I think you're really going to like it. I certainly hope so. And there'll be a short response to that when you're finished listening to that lesson. So there'll be a video lesson of me presenting this next lesson for Wit and Wisdom. Then we'll have our live call at 10 a.m. and that's where we'll do our word building. So you may remember from kindergarten doing word building and using your letters, and we move them and we make words. And what I'm going to ask, if you're able to do this, to grab the letters that we'll need. Now in first grade, we do the letters a little bit different than what you might remember doing in kindergarten. I know in kindergarten you would cut apart the letters. This time, if you remember, I showed you we have these folders, and in the folder has, sorry, wrong side. Still getting used to that. It has all the letters for word building. And sometimes these pockets can be a little tricky, but with a little bit of practice, I know you'll get used to it. But there are 3 separate pages of letters. The letters are in alphabetical order, or ABC order. So they start at A and they go back to Z in order. And if you just kind of move your finger, there's a flap here, and then you'll be able to pull out the letter. If you need to get, which we do for today, one of the letters in the bottom 2 rows, if you just kind of slide your finger, you'll see there's a pocket that you can slide in and pull out the letter that you need. So what I'm hoping is on our word building days, when we do this in our live class, if you could come to class with the letters already pulled out. And I thought maybe what you could do, or what I've done in the classroom in the past, is either used just a baggie, a sandwich baggie, or an envelope, or even if you have like a container lying around where you could pull out the letters that we need for that particular day, and I'll let you know what they are and I'll post them on the schedule, and just stick the letters in a container or a folder or something, or I'm sorry, an envelope or a bag or whatever you have that's convenient, easy, just to keep them until we get to our live class. So the letters that we need for today are up here and they're over here, but I'll also put them on the schedule. But it's SITFAP. So if you could just pull those out and have those ready for 10, that would be wonderful. And then after our 10 a.m. class, what we do during word building, you'll take a picture of and send, but I'll explain all of that when we get to word building. And then we'll have our math like normal. So busy day today, learning some new things, adding some new things into our routine, and we'll talk about spelling and high frequency words as well. But that's just a little snapshot for today. So you have a couple of activities coming out at 9, and if you could just get your letters ready for word building, and let me know if you need anything, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks so much. See you soon.